Let me show you how you can delete your Tinder account. Come up here to your profile picture, click on it. Then come up to the settings, click on it. And come all the way down, and some more down, straight down. Okay, here we are, delete account, click on it. So you can put your account on a pause. Also, if you maybe don't want to delete it completely, but if you just look down, you can see delete my account. So click on that. Then you say, are you sure you want to delete your account? It says, please let us know the reason why you are leaving. So you can choose from any of these. I don't like Tinder. I want a fresh start. I need a break from Tinder. So depending on the reason why you are deleting your Tinder account, you could choose from here. If none of this match, you can click on order, but I'm just gonna go with I want a fresh start. Clicking I want a fresh start. Okay, so right here it says fresh start. So underneath are some of the maybe reasons why you want to delete the account. So you can click any of them which matches your reason. If none of them does, you can look up to the right side of the screen. You can see skip. You can totally skip this, or you can just come down and click on continue to account deletion. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on account deletion. Okay, so I personally see this as Tinder telling people, please don't go, don't leave this platform. Out of process when you want to delete this account. So I'm just going to click on delete. But you can read this instruction. It says if you delete your account, you will permanently lose your profile message, photo and matches, and if you delete your account, these actions cannot be undone. If you rather keep your account but not be shown to others, you can hide your account instead. You can turn this off in the settings. Are you sure you want to delete your account? I'm pretty sure. But you can also put it on pause. You can see it also brought out that option again, pause my account. But I want to delete, so click on delete. Account deleted. Your Tinder account and all of its information was successfully deleted. Got it. So that's how you can delete your Tinder account. And see, brought us back to the beginning again. If you want to re-register. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.